Good morning, students. Today I am start a new chapter, whole number. In this chapter, according to given pattern, you have to give the answer of the question. I am going to start from worked out examples 1. Show the numbers 4, 9, 16, 25 as squares. What is the name of these numbers? Example 1. Example 1. Example 1 is show the numbers 4, 9, 16, 25 dot as squares. दिखाएं कि संख्याएं 4, 9, 16 और 25 वर्ग हैं. What is the name of these numbers? What is the name of these numbers? What is the name of these numbers? We are going to solve it by using dot. These numbers have been shown by a square because 4 dots form a square. In the question, 4 is equal to, we write as 4 dots make a square, and 9 dots, 9 is equal to, we can write as 3, 4 is equal to, 9 is equal to, and 16, and for 16 we can write 16, which is represented by 16 dot. From 16 dot we can make a square. Similarly, 25 dots. 25 is equal to 25 dots make a square. So these are square numbers 4, 9, 16 and 25 as a square. What is the name of these numbers? The numbers have been shown by a square. Therefore, these numbers are called, these numbers are called square numbers. Square numbers. Square numbers. You are asked to show the numbers 4, 9, 16, 25 as squares. What is the name of these numbers? From 4 dot a square is formed, and from 9 dots, a square is formed. From 16 dots, a square is formed, and from 25 dots, we make a square. So these numbers are called square numbers. Example 2. Study the pattern written below and fill in the blanks. Pattern is given below, and according to the pattern, you have to give the answer of, write the digit in blank place. Example 2. Pattern is 1 into 10. 1 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. It is given. Similarly, 1 into 100. 1 into 100 plus 1 is equal to 101 11. Pattern. According to pattern, you can write 1 1 1. Similarly, 1 into 1000. 1000 plus 3 1 is equal to 1 1 1 1. And similarly, 1 into 1000, 10,000. 1 into 10,000 plus 4 1 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1. So according to given pattern, you can fill in the blanks in appropriate digit. And similarly, 1 into 1 lakh plus 5 1 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1. And 1 into 60, 10 lakh. Plus 6 1 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So in this way, you can fill in the blanks. You can fill in appropriate digit. So according to pattern, you can solve the problem. Example 2. Now example 3 is, I am going to example 3 number question. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through examples. If the product of two numbers is 0, can we say that one of both of them will be 0? So the answer will be yes, because if the product of two whole numbers is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. Example 3. If the product of if the product of two numbers If the product of two numbers is 0, whole numbers. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, then at least one of them, at least one of them must be 0. Must be 0. Here we are asked, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, then what can we say? That one or both of them will be 0. Yes, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. We are going to verify this statement from example. Here we multiply 2 by 0 because 2 is a whole number and 0 is also a whole number. The product is 0. And because we are given if the product of two whole number is 0. Next example, 0 into 1 is equal to also 0. Here 0 and 1 also whole numbers. So if we multiply it, the result product is 0. So if the product of two whole numbers is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. So example 3 number question. In example 4, write the appropriate law against each of the following. Example 4, write the appropriate law. Write the appropriate law against each of the following. 8 plus 32. 8 plus 32 is equal to given 32 plus 8. 32 plus 8. Here we have learned before about commutative law, distributive law, associative law, commutative law for multiplication, and commutative law for addition. We have learned before. So remembering these laws, we can say that 8 plus 32 here Crum-Binwanium, commutative law for addition. Here commutative law for addition. जोड़ का क्रम बिनवेनियम. This problem is according to commutative law for addition because जोड़ का यहाँ पर केवल क्रम का आदान प्रदान हुआ है. यहाँ पर शुरू में 8 था तो यहाँ पर 32 लिखा गया और 32 की जगह 8 लिखा गया. केवल क्रम का परिवर्तन है. इसी कारण से ये कम्यूटेटिव लॉ फॉर एडिशन. एंड 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन, 2 plus 12 plus 15. 2 plus 12 in bracket and plus 15 is equal to 2 plus 12 plus 15. This law is called associative law for addition. जोड़ का साहचर्य गुण. You have learned before about commutative law, associative law, distributive law, and commutative law for addition. Associative law for addition. Associative law for addition. you have to write only law. Which law verifies this? And 3 number question. In 3 number question, 8 into 5 plus 4. 8 into 5 plus 4 is equal to 8 into 5 plus 8 into 4. 8 into 4. This law represents distributive law. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. जोड़ पर गुना का वितरण गुण. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. Of multiplication over addition. Distributive law. वितरण गुण. Distributive law for multiplication over addition. जोड़ पर गुना का वितरण गुण. Over addition. You have learned before that if ABC are 3 numbers, whole numbers, then A into B plus C बराबर AB plus AC. So examples have been solved in this period, and in next period I will start exercise 2.3, and now you can try to solve the examples, and in next class I will solve your only problem. Thank you.